Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and we're going to be doing an unboxing here for you today of the new Fitbit Charge 3. So as we look on the outside of the box, we can kind of get an idea of what this one looks like, but on the back, we've got a little tape piece that we're going to open up and take a look and see what actually comes with this product. So we've got that off. That's going to allow us to open the bottom of the box. Nice and easy, nothing else in there. Put that off to the side. And then the first thing we see is the device itself, which is like a gray and rose gold color. It actually looks really nice. I'll take that off so we can kind of see the front of it. And this one, I believe, has the small strap on it right now. From the outside of the box, it did say it comes with both. So this is the large strap here. So you're gonna get that in the box as well. And let's see what else is in here. And we've got the charger. As we've seen on some of the others, kind of a unique way to charge this. It's gonna clamp in place. There's some little contacts here on the top of the charger, and it looks like this is just gonna clamp it right to the tracker, hold it in place while it charges. So that's easy to do, maybe a little bit cumbersome, more cumbersome than just a plug, but that's what you get with Fitbit. And then behind here, it's gonna say to start, download the Fitbit app. Now we have the Fitbit app downloaded right now. I went through, the Charge 3 doesn't come up yet because it's not gonna be released for a little while yet. So we don't really have a great way to test it quite yet to see all of its capabilities, but stay tuned because we are gonna do an overview video on this as well, so we'll give you more details in that one. Now we've got the safety instructions and limited warranty, and that's pretty much everything. I'll see if we can get this thing turned on. I'm not so sure that it's going to because it's not charged right out of the box. But, so that's everything that we've got on the Fitbit Charge 3. It's a really great looking device. It's got a kind of pretty easy to use charger here, and then just a pretty simple layout. You get the small and large bands with it, and that's everything we've got for you for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned because like I said, we are gonna do an overview video on this as well, kind of go into more details once they have this on the app up and running. Thanks for watching.